First, import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Then, select the video by clicking on it. Once selected, we're ready to start editing. Step 2. Open Speed Settings. Now go to the top right menu and click on the Speed option. You'll see two options: Normal, to change the overall playback speed; Curve, to customize speed transitions. To create smooth, slow motion, we'll work with the Curve option. Step 3. Use a curve preset or customize. Capcut offers several curve presets. You can choose one. For example, you can start at high speed, gradually slow down in the middle, then return to normal speed. Adjusting the curve allows smooth transitions between these changes. Step 4. Customize the curve further. You can also click on Custom to create your own speed curve. Drag the points up or down to speed up or slow down the video as needed. For a clean slow motion effect, lower the points gently, then raise them back for a natural return to normal speed. Let's take a look. You'll see the video slow down smoothly and then return to its original speed. This method gives a very cinematic, professional slow motion effect. And that's it. That's how you make smooth slow motion videos in Capcut on PC. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.